Let's learn how to add long stories to Instagram. If you want to share long stories that are up to 60 seconds, then watch this video until the very end to learn. The process is very quick and easy. The first thing that you want to do is go to the Google Play or App Store and search for Instagram. We need to make sure that our app is up to date. If it says update here, then you want to update the app to the latest version in order to upload 1 minute stories. If it says open, then that means that the app is updated and you can simply open it. Now let's open the Instagram app. You don't need to download any third-party apps or anything like that. Instagram has added a feature to its latest update where it allows you to upload stories that are up to 60 seconds in length without splitting them. So all you need to do is to open the camera app. As you can see here, Instagram didn't split my story even though it is more than 15 seconds in length. Now just share the story by clicking the to your story button and wait until it uploads. And as you can see, the story is successfully uploaded and you can see here that it is not split. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.